One of quick question I have, let's say, see, there are people who have a certain bigger following on social media, then they leverage it into exciting content.
Correct.
Content means both. There are also a lot of people who have exciting content but have no fan following to leverage it off.
Okay.
So what would be a good starting point for someone to start with the content and start pushing it organically, but outside their own circle, getting increasing followers?
I would like Gaurav answer that. Gaurav?
See, actually, you'll have to do a lot of reading. You'll have to find out which platform suits you better. Like I said, what type of content are you making? Are you better at blogging? Are you better at a particular website? What suits the kind of thing that you are doing? You know? So that, like Pinterest, I have never used it, but I think it is about specialized thing. If you're
Everything that
interested
you
in food,
after. That's what
Yeah.
Pinterest is about.
yeah. So you have this shortlist where you should have some following. Like I'll tell you that I started making videos actually 5 years ago.
Wow.
I came in before AIB. I came
One of the
before-
earliest
Yeah.
adopters.
So I think only Shafi Kapoorji was doing YouTubing, and I was the second one. And I did crack a deal with UTV Stars and other digital line. But I got busy in 2011 till 2014. I completely stopped making videos. So I had already a few following, but very little. You know.
Because you weren't consistent.
I wasn't consistent because you gotta be there. You gotta make content non-stop. ऐसे नहीं हो सकता आपने साल में एक बनाया, जैसे गंगम स्टाइल एक बना दिया और उसके बाद 4 साल कुछ नहीं डालो. It can't be like that. You gotta be engaging people. And so like Instagram, I started now. I started from 6,000. You know when I started because I'm an actor, so I already had 6,000 following. But today, within a few months, it is 1,44,000. So it has really grown on itself because internet पे क्या होता है ना लोग अपने friends को tag करते हैं hey watch this one is funny so friend tags 10 more people so internet spreads like that but you content gotta be good and gotta be regular is
Consistency is
yeah.
the key. Radhika, I want to ask you, you know, you sort of, यहाँ पे एक उल्टी गंगा अभी बहने लगी है थोड़ी, because इंटरनेट पे लोग डिस्कवर हो रहे हैं और मेन स्ट्रीम एक्सेप्टेंस और मेन स्ट्रीम सेलेब्डम उन्हें मिल रहा है. Would you, in days to come, have a separate sort of internet personality or sort of content stream that you would like to create alongside your films, your television, your 511 language films that you do, all of that?
I think yes, I would. I'm a theatre actor to begin with, and I love doing gigs on the spot, and you know, come up like see how people react to that. So this would be a great platform, and I think this is going to be a very big platform in the future. I mean, very soon. I'm talking about like very near future, because this is going to take over. People are so impatient that this is the thing. You know, it's going to be the thing, and so we better come up with something.
Awesome. Any more questions for our panel here? Yes, way back there. मैं कह रहा हूँ यार ये मुंबई वाले बड़े शर्माते हैं. Delhi was awesome. Everyone had a question. We had to ask everyone to be like, okay, yeah.
I'm Stephen, freelance journalist. I wanted to know with the tolerance levels dipping. Do we foresee the moral vigilante coming and saying, this is not morally correct, this is not culturally correct? Because I see such great talent here, and I see these guys probably sometimes nipping talent in the bud. I just want anyone's view on whether this could be some real party spoiler.
Wow. Do you want to take that, Gaurav? Because जैसे आपने कहा, आप बहुत ज़्यादा trending topics, for example, study करते हैं, और उसके ऊपर कटाक्ष या उसके ऊपर अपनी टिप्पणी जो होती है वो पेश करते हैं.
मैं एक्चुअली वो नहीं करता हूँ. मुझे लगता है कि मुझसे कहीं ज़्यादा कटाक्ष लोग हैं.
Sure.
What is कटाक्ष by the way?
Your take on it.
Okay. So I am not one of those. मुझे सब चीजें अच्छी लगती हैं. मुझे हर तरह का point of view अच्छा लगता है. So मैं उस बारे में जोन में नहीं जाता हूँ normally. जैसे अहिल्या का भी था. I did make fun of it, but I presented it differently. Yeah, I presented differently without demeaning the film because I quite enjoyed the movie. It's not even a spoil. It is random. It is so random that you say, इसकी ज़रूरत क्या थी?
It's so funny. It's good. You have to do that.
Yeah, it is like ये क्यों है? But you know, broadcasting बार did I skip the question? I want to
say. Go ahead.
Broadcasting मेरा इतना faith है since past 5 years, 10 years old. I believe everything is content. You know, मुझे लगता है कि there would be somebody listening, all 3 of you, you know, or 4 of you. आपकी क्या बात हो रही है? आप कितने what is, because I find everything so interesting. Like I was going for New Year's to a place and I wanted to look up a place and I just randomly Googled and I found that place, Estrella do Mar. And I could see the video of the whole hut, which chalta ja raha hai, shot the whole thing. And I was so glad and felt lucky that, okay, I know where I'm going. So future later में आगे जाके लोग live चीजें देखना चाहेंगे कि एस्ट्रेला में 2 माह में अभी क्या हो रहा है? What if I check in? What if the building looked better earlier? Now it's not like that. So everything I believe is going to go live and looked upon for information also. Maybe for learning, maybe for entertainment. So a lot of things will follow with live.
Actually, that's the beauty of this medium. You know, with this, I just remember that June 17th to 24th, it was really bad in Mumbai. It was raining really badly, and we just thought that it will again create a flood-like situation.
Right.
And it was Ankit who started beaming while he was driving, and I saw that because I was unwell. I was sitting at my place, and I realized it is so bad down there in Mahim, which I would have not known looking at the television, because you know this was real time. I knew it's happening right now. So not just for entertainment, I think for reporting purposes as well. This is like the big thing, the next big thing.
Yeah, I mean, we're all these people with cameras over there. We're really happy for them, and we're concerned for them because that's what real-time live platforms do. I'll talk about that to you offline if you don't mind. Okay, any more questions? Yes, sir.
This is to Gaurav and for Radhika. Being actors and resorting to such a medium, how important is the monetization from your aspect, or would you do, like you've done your short film? It could be because of working with the director, but how important is the money factor, and how do you take your decisions whether to opt for a particular project?
Very good question. Very good question. He's saying, is that a big motivator? Is that a deal breaker or something like that? The monetization aspect of it.
Like
because
Gaurav has been doing a lot of your videos.
Yeah.
But when you move to fame, Ash fame, or any other thing, is the money aspect actually an attraction, or are you doing it just out of fame?
Okay, so you can answer. I will quickly give a rider on top of this. This is any other, it's treated as any other social media application, right? Today, and I know this because I've studied this guy, because I love his work. Today, Gaurav Gera ka Chutki and Shopkeeper is such an amazing brand on Instagram. Instagram se 0 paise bante. But because wahan itna tagda brand bana hai ki television channels have commissioned shows.
Yeah, I've signed licensed my characters to Big Magic for next 5 years.
Yeah.
I built another show which is a longer format with Big Magic. So, which has happened 2 साल हो गए. So now it's on TV, radio, and internet to मेरा है ही.
Absolutely.
So yeah, everything follows.
So I think what's important is mediums like this or anything on the internet, and which is exactly what this evening is dedicated to, building your personal brand. Because the minute you build your personal brand on internet, then you can leverage it and monetize it on multiple media. Now, the medium itself, like I said, the coming up build is going to offer monetization opportunity. The medium itself will offer monetization, but that shouldn't really be the only motivation for people to get onto the app, because brand banana is more important. Right?
See, also basically I cut down the whole process. मैं वो सब नहीं करता जो पिक्चर करती है या टीवी करता है. वो अच्छे से शॉट लगाते हैं, मैं शॉट नहीं लगाता. I keep on my frontal mobile कैम पे करता हूँ, मैं एडिटिंग फोन पे करता हूँ. तो मैंने पूरा प्रोसेस ही काट दिया. आप लगाते रहो सेट, आप लगाओ कैमरा, मैं नहीं लगाऊंगा. So this is shopkeeper and you went. ये भी कम ले रहा है, ये क्या चाहिए? So this is shopkeeper. जो दुकान में बैठ, ये कोक ले लो.
Coke देना.
अरे काट दियो.
That's one of my favorite.
Yeah, this video has become really viral. Coke का Coke छोटा या बड़ा नहीं चाहिए, बस सुनने आई थी. This is one of the videos which has really done well. Or I don't know if you guys have heard this, but Mallam hai, Suji hai, that is also pretty famous.
Go for it. Go.
Shopkeeper, आइए बेटी. Mallam है, आइए. Suji है, आइए. लगा लेना. Getting on small videos. Again, I'll say I studied a lot. मैं कितना length का content बनाऊँ, because earlier मैं 7 मिनट का 2010 में जो बोल रहा हूँ. Then I realized, okay, I am targeting teenagers. I'm targeting people who are going to college. They don't have so much of data जो free में हो. Plus buffering and उसके बाद ad आएगा, उसके बाद धीरे-धीरे चलेगा video. और I'll cut it out. I'll make a video which is 15 seconds, like reading a joke on your phone. Quickly in between your classes you read it and then you go back smiling. So that is what I mean.
Oh.
Oh, I am not getting the lipstick.
I have
You have
it.
lipstick?
Yeah, you know.
I think I've never done. So चुटकी basically ऐसी है, lipstick puts all over. उसकी lipstick पूरी बाहर होती है.
Wow, man. ये सब real time ही हो रहा है अभी. You sure you want to like?
तो पहली बार टाइम हो रहा है.
Use stick. Go for it.
This is how I do.
Oh wow. think she's going to burn this.
Yeah.
So chutki is like that basically. Shopkeeper.
And you may
What's the
Shopkeeper,
and you may
pink dress कितने की है?
9,000.
5,000.
I will do that. Yeah.
You
Go
go
ahead.
for
I
it.
remember. Yeah.
So you're a shopkeeper.
Yeah.
You want to make?
I'll be the chutki.
You want the
You're the
wig?
chutki.
Yeah. No, you want you can be shopkeeper. Yeah. Go ahead.
So the video is
Shopkeeper,
हाँ जी मैं जी.
pink dress कितने की है?
5,000.
Oh, grey dress?
10,000.
Oh, red dress?
All plus all.
Wow.
There are many more videos like that. There are like 500 videos
My
already
God.
there.
My God.
So I just think that मैं at times मैं आपको 2:30 बजे वीडियो बना देता हूँ. At times one video of mine which Akshay Kumar made with Siddharth Malhotra.
Yeah.
I was partying in Delhi and I couldn't believe, oh my God, Akshay Kumar ने मेरा वीडियो बना दिया. So
हम बोल सकते हैं यार.
वो था.
Shopkeeper,
अरे बेटी,
shop में washroom है?
अच्छा, अरे मशरूम है.
नहीं, restroom,
कौन?
powder room.
कौन?
Oh, टैक्सी जाना है.
So I basically see again the content wise I'll say what I make is something which is not on TV, which is not on it's a
You
police
just
thing.
checked with me, मैं टट्टी बोल सकता हूँ क्या? I mean,
I
इस
know.
कदर टेलीविजन ने हमको इतना वो बना दिया, बना दिया.
So it's
Conscious.
which is innocent यार. You say it in English सबको कबूल है. इसमें क्या ऐसा हो जाता है?
गलत बात.
गलत बात है.
Radhika, are
Punjabi.
you going to like collab with this Mandani Singh boy?
Match your.
Oh, come on, you're a theatre person.
You just need the lipstick. That's all.
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay, we actually have, I don't know if we can plug into the visuals here, but Shruti Prakash, one of the top fame stars, she's an amazing singer. She's live right now. She does music on demand every night between 9 to 10. That's Shruti Prakash with Nalin. Okay, so this is very simple. That's the chat. So Honey3 has requested for Iktara. Now, Shruti Prakash can, choose to sing it or not. So Darshika, you're looking so adorable. Isn't it now?